click on the dog? It says, Chudley seems to have forgotten something. Give him a click. Sit up. Here. Let go. Use this. Click on the dog. No, click on... Okay. Molly thinks he's forgotten his walk. No, I don't think it's his walk. Give Molly a click. Click it again. Oops. Wrong button. Click this button. No, this one. Is that my dad?
Look at cat.
Yeah.
Look at cat, Mommy.
Cat?
Uh-huh.
The cat thinks Chudley's forgotten a ball of wool. Click on the wool.
Oh, Papa's here.
Uh-huh, click. No, this button. Come on, click right here. There we go. Sebastian.
Huh?
Watch. Molly thinks Chudley's forgotten his dinner. Chudley never forgets his dinner. Click on the dish. Can you click on the bowl? Now click it. Eek, a mouse!
Cat.
Oh dear, the cat's caught a mouse. Click on the mouse, quick! Click it. Click it.
Click it.
Click it.
Whoops.
Whoops. Will you open the door?
Look.
Chudley's remembered.
Her birthday.
A birthday. It says happy birthday. It says, hi Sebastian, I didn't forget your birthday. Hey, I'm just late in sending this special card to you. Happy birthday, sweetie. With love from Gigi. Hey, look at me, Sebastian. In a minute, look.
Huh?
Say thank you, Gigi.
Thank you, Gigi.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Okay.